This simple money rule will make you rich in 2025. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine a future where money works for you, not the other way around. This video reveals a simple yet powerful money rule that can dramatically change your financial future by 2025. Welcome to Online Investment Compass. We're dedicated to providing young investors with actionable financial insights. Our goal is to empower you to make smart money decisions and build a secure financial future. Today, we're diving into a simple money rule that can transform your finances. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven strategy for building wealth over time. Even if you're a complete beginner, this rule can work for you. Becoming rich isn't about winning the lottery. It's about consistent, smart decisions and understanding the power of compounding. We'll show you how this simple rule, combined with the magic of compounding, can lead to significant wealth accumulation. The rule is simple. Save 10% of every dollar you earn. Whether you have a part-time job, a full-time career, or a side hustle, this rule applies to you. It's a universal principle for building wealth. You might be thinking, 10%? That's not enough to make a difference. It might seem insignificant at first, but don't underestimate the power of consistency and compound interest. Over time, even small amounts can grow into substantial wealth. Compound interest is the key to unlocking the full potential of this rule. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing larger with each rotation. Your invested money earns more money, creating a powerful snowball effect. Now that you're saving 10%, the next step is to invest it wisely. Choosing the right investment vehicle is crucial for maximizing your returns and achieving your financial goals. Don't let your savings sit idle in a low-interest account. For young investors, low-cost index funds are an excellent starting point. These funds track broad market indexes like the S&P 500, providing diversified exposure to the overall stock market. They're a simple and effective way to participate in the growth of the economy. Investing in index funds offers significant diversification benefits. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you're spreading your investment across hundreds of different companies, reducing your overall risk. Saving 10% might be challenging at first, especially if you're on a tight budget. But remember, the long-term benefits are well worth the effort. Think of it as an investment in your future self. Imagine yourself in 2025. You have a solid financial foundation, a steadily growing investment portfolio, and a sense of security and control over your finances. This is the power of consistent saving and investing. This future is achievable through the simple rule of saving 10%. Visualize your success, stay motivated, and watch your wealth grow over time. The feeling of financial freedom is within your reach. Consistency is key to maximizing the benefits of this money rule. Make saving 10% a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. Treat it like a bill you pay to yourself every month. Automate your savings to make it even easier to stick to the rule. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. You'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth grows over time, without much effort on your part. The power of habit is undeniable. Once saving 10% becomes a habit, it will feel natural and effortless. You'll be well on your way to building a secure and prosperous financial future. Let's recap. Save 10% of every dollar you earn, invest wisely in low-cost index funds, and be consistent with your savings. This simple formula can transform your financial future by 2025. The potential for financial transformation is within your grasp. Start implementing this rule today and watch your wealth grow over time. You have the power to create a brighter financial future for yourself. Now, take action. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and share it with your friends and family. Check out our other videos for more strategies to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Happy investing!